Why wait for someone on your team to do this manually when we already have all the context we need? With the help of OpenAI and PandaDoc, we can generate, send, and log a custom proposal without anyone lifting a finger. So in the final section of this course, we'll be tacking on a proposal generator to the end of our workflow. We'll use OpenAI to create the custom text to plug into a proposal generator. We're going to be using PandaDoc as our tool for creating and sending proposals. It allows you to create templates with placeholders that can be filled in dynamically from your automation workflows. Remember, this document will be client-facing, so make it look and feel as professional as the service you're offering. With your PandaDoc template ready and tokenized correctly with placeholders, we're ready to include it in the final sequence of our make scenario. We'll add the PandaDoc, create a document module, set up a connection with our PandaDoc account, name the document based on the company we're sending it to, and select the proposal template we created earlier. We'll fill in these values, giving the module the lead's email to send this to, and include all of the necessary info about our client, like the company name and the client's first and last name. For all these proposal tokens, we'll be generating these values with AI in a moment. For now, we'll scroll down and say yes to send a document because we want to email this PandaDoc to our lead, fill in the subject line using their name and company, write a short message, then hit save. Next, we'll use OpenAI, create a chat completion module to help us write a clear, convincing proposal. We'll select a quick and efficient GPT model, and in the prompt, we feed it instructions about its role as a sales expert with context about the services our mock company offers, like AI automation and agent-based systems, information about the client, including the company research we did earlier in the workflow, and the summary of the call our voice assistant had with them. Then we clarify its task to identify the most relevant services we can offer them, and we demand the output to be in JSON format, so we can make easy use of it in the modules after this. If we go ahead and run this module only, passing in some dummy data for the call summary and company research, we'll see it efficiently generates this relevant info organized as JSON like we requested. We're almost ready to plug these values into the PandaDoc module, but we first need to add a parse JSON module to prep the message content output from OpenAI, breaking it up into discrete values that are available as variables we can inject into our proposal document in the next step. Now we can see it's parsing correctly, and we can now go into our PandaDoc module and plug those variables into their corresponding token slots. Finally, we want to bring things full circle by updating the lead's Airtable record so that our sales team can see when the proposal was sent. Inside Airtable, we can see that the proposal sent on date was added. Now let's check the email that we told PandaDoc to send the proposal to. Heading into that email, we can see that it worked perfectly.